In the heart of the jungle, surrounded by towering trees and a flowing river, a wooden house begins to take shape. The first step, choosing the perfect spot, close to the river for water, yet high enough to stay safe from floods. Strong wooden logs form the foundation, carefully placed for stability. Hand-cut wood is used for the walls and floors, securely fastened to withstand the elements. A thatched roof, crafted from dried palm leaves, provides shade and protection. Step by step, the house blends into nature, offering a peaceful retreat. With a small wooden porch overlooking the river, it's the perfect place to enjoy the sounds of the wild. A home built by hand, in perfect harmony with the jungle.